Surprise unboxing. Oh, this is a surprise watch unboxing. I have no idea what watch it is. I have an idea, but let's see. Okay, chat. Yes, chat. Yes, chat. Yes, chat. Yes, chat. Yes, 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 chat. Okay, so new watch. New watch unboxing. Pull that off. Yeah, let me put my glasses on. Okay. Okay, let's see now. See? I gotta put the glasses on. Boom. Okay. This is the charger, I know. This is the watch. Bang. So this is how I know, like, internet critiques are just like, their ceiling is that high. Like, they said this watch was heavy and thick. Like, relax, guys. Just calm down. Boom. These are the, probably not how you do that. Yep. Let's take your time, trust it. Let's take your time. Actually, yep. Let's take your time. So, okay. So I know it's, you pull this. Okay, I got it. So you put this, pull this. I don't know which side is which though. Actually, let's do what makes sense. All right, chat. This is not it. Like, so far, everything is seeming perfect, but this whole mechanism of putting on the watch band is not it. Probably just because I don't have nails at all. Fun fact, I bite my nails. Sue me. Oh, okay. This one. Actually, I think I'm gonna unlatch this. Okay. Actually, let me see if this is the right way. So we're gonna, should be okay. Okay. Put this on. Boom. I think I did it wrong though. Nope, I did it right. I bet. So take this off. Power that bitch on. I don't know if that's the power button. Let me just hold both buttons and see what happens. Huh. Maybe it's that. Oh, well, gotta vibrate. Bang. Now I'm really dumb happy though. Like I realistically I thought it was the other one, but now that it's not the other one, I'm like, all right, this is probably what I wanted. All right, but. So it's telling me to download the Zep app. Ooh, damn, wow. Zep app. Get back. One thing about me, I'm mad clean and intricate. So whatever chance I get, I just gotta clean up everything around me. Allow. Log, sign up. Boom, sign up. Throw an email in there. Create a quick password. Boom, verification code. Got you. If you need that, I got that. Sign up. Please select your registration region. Oh, United States, champ. You know how it go. State. Yeah, this is excessive. New York, concrete jungle where dreams are made of. Okay, they're asking me my sex. I'm male. Metric. Select. I'm 5 foot. Yeah, okay, wait. 6'2". Not a good day. I'm realistic. Technically 6'1 3/4". My weight. 222. Fun fact, I was 208 a few weeks ago. Yep. Honestly, it wasn't that good of a thing, but it is what it is. So my date of birth, May, big May, not the little one. Next. How would you describe your fitness level? Beginner, I am new to fitness or just starting to build. Intermediate, I work out often but don't follow a structured or consistent plan. So this is the menu. I hope it's focusing. I'm definitely intermediate. What do you improve performance, maintain health? So it's asking me what do I want to achieve? I want to improve performance and maintain health. Then next, Apple Health, agree, turn on all, allow. Okay, now it says choose a device. So I'm gonna go watch, agree, allow. Please point the, okay, point it at the QR code, connecting the device. Okay, is there anything else in this package? Pair, allow. Is there anything else here? Okay. Boom. Throw that in that there, throw that up, put that in this. And this is gonna go upstairs in a drawer that has all the electronics over the years. My cameras, my Insta360s, my DJIs, my everything. Okay. So it's asking me default text size. No, it's really so light too. That's crazy. Like, but literally all the interviewers on YouTube, they're like, "Oh man, it's heavy. It's bigger than most." It's perfectly fine. I mean, while probably true, it's perfectly fine. Like I really I thought it was way worse than it is. How do I turn the brightness up? Okay. So max brightness, boom. For some reason I feel like I have the strap wrong, but I don't know. We'll see. Yeah, I do. Do I? Let me use my brain real quick. Yeah, I definitely do. Can I just turn it? No, that doesn't make sense. So I gotta take this off. I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take this off. Okay. I'm gonna put it here. Honestly, I'm glad you only have to change the bands like every now and then because these band the little knots that's holding the band, I do not trust this in my life. Like I guess I'm going to have to develop some trust. But right now I have trust issues with this band. Okay. Okay. Then we're gonna go here. It's not that serious. Don't let somebody out nails fool you. This is easy for the average consumer. Oh shit. Bang. I bet. So first time. Oh damn, weather up and going. Wait, this is wrong. Where is this? Oh wait, it's not wrong. That's okay. Good, good, good. All right. So we're gonna throw the watch on. Honestly, I think this is lighter than my Apple Watch. Like literally, and it's bigger. It's bigger and lighter than my Apple Watch. My God, that feels like a. Oh my God, that feels like a perfectly fitting shoe. Like it's just right on. Jesus. No, this shit is tough, bro. Swear to God, this shit is tough. Look at that, bro. Look at that. It's shitting me. And I'm gonna keep always on display on, cause what? Enable all contacts. Enable. Sure. Enable calendar sync. Enable. Select button position. Okay. I need to tighten some more. Button on right. Next. List view or grid view. What do I want? Fuck it. Let's go list actually. Welcome to Amazfit. Amazfit. I keep saying Amazfit. So use the Amazon. Let's just go Amazfit. Okay. Devices being updated. Welcome to Amazfit Active Max. Big screen, long battery, training made simple. Vibrant 1.5 3000 nit AMOLED display. 25 days of battery life. Smart recognition of 25 strength training movements. Over 170 built-in workout modes. Zep coach and all-day biocharging. I'm here for it. Fun fact, I just came home from cycling from work and I didn't even take my shoes off. I was too excited. So let me take these off. Let me show y'all my shoes while I'm at, actually. Alright, check them out. These are my Shimano RX 600, I believe. Custom painted by me. This is like the 50th time I painted these over. Definitely like changed the integrity of the shoe, but still works. And I like how it looks. That's really all that matters. I call these marble. Yep, not original, but it's fire. I like it. Before it had a little red, everything. I'm thinking I put an iridescent coating on it now, though. I don't know. It will look fire. This is like, it will look fire. I'm gonna do it eventually. I know me. I'll give it a month. I'll do it. I don't want to store too much on it right now. But yeah, it's updated right now. I'm just called the video here. It says 4 minutes left. So we're just gonna end the video here. But first unboxing of my Amazfit Active Max. It should be good. Till next time.